For the next part of the experiment, we're going to do a very quick check of the focal value you should have got for the first part. So what we're going to do, you can maybe see here, at the far end of the bench, we've got a bit of paper and there's two lines on it. Now, we're not going to need the ruler for this part, but I'm just going to check with the ruler that these two lines are the correct distance apart. So if I put that there and you zoom in, you should be able to see that. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is try to set the lens so that it's about 2 meters away from that. So meter stick right here. Meter stick. And just going to place it here. And I'm estimating, so I'm going from where the paper is to this. You can see I've got this additional length there. Let's shove the bench down a bit. That's what I can do because of my phenomenal strength. You know, it's pretty good. And I'm just going to make sure that the lens here is set at about 100, which it still is. So there's no real change there. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same experiment that I've just done, but I'm going to place the eyepiece so that it's looking at one line, so that the crosshair is focused on one line. And then I'm going to dial it across so it'll move horizontally across to the other line, and we're going to measure the displacement, and that should give us a quick way of checking what the focal length should be. So I'm going to do that now, and you'll have some readings to take. First things first, I'm just going to make sure that I'm roughly aligned. It's very out of focus, so it's hard to judge, but I'm just making sure that I'm looking at the paper. I need to come up a reasonable amount, so I'm going to just do a crude adjustment using that, and then I can use the finer settings here if I need to. Okay, that's good. So I slid this back from the telephoto lens just until I saw a kind of sharp focus of the image forming. The lab manual describes this. You want to kind of relax your eye when you're looking through, just like when you're sniping someone, and that's basically what I've done here. And this is one of the reasons why I've used lined paper in the drawing, because even if I'm not focused on the line, you know, the lines I've drawn, it's much easier to look at lined paper and see it's in focus than to look at a blank white sheet and try to guess if it's in focus. Next thing I'm going to do is just set my crosshairs on one of the lines. So it's going to be probably quite a transit in this one. Okay, so it's now on one, so let's record the position of this. If anyone watches these videos, the correct reading for this one is going to be I'm just going to dial across, so we're going to go all the way the other way. So it's going to take forever, so I'm probably going to put this on fast forward.
the back door with my wife's lover's smoking gun. I don't know what I was hoping for. I hit the road at a run. I was your lover, and I was your man. There never was no other. I was your friend till we came along this road, till we came along this road, till we came along this road. I ain't sent you no letters, Ma, but I'm looking quite a trip. The world's spinning beneath me, Ma. Guns blazing at my heel. You were my lover, and you were my friend. There never was no other. Hope you understand till we came along this road, till we came along this road, till we came along this road.
So there's going to be again distance traveled by the micrometer eyepiece, and we're going to use that in the calculation. So it's 2 meters away. You've got the distance the micrometer eyepiece has traveled. That should let you calculate a quick estimate of the focal length. We can now remove this because we don't need it for the next part of the experiment.